Ethical Hacking Exam Practice Questions Part 3. In this video, we are going to take a look at the practice questions for exam, which is MCQ Part 3. So let's start. Which of the following is used to reset a connection? So how you can reset a connection? These are the flags. So this is reset, acknowledgement, push and urgent. So obviously the name describes RST is used for reset any connection inside network. Which of the following can be used for cracking passwords and ARP poisoning? So EtherCap is basically MITM, doesn't provide ARP. Hydra is for password cracking. SMAC is for MAC changing. Obviously D is the right answer. Cane enable is used for cracking and poisoning. Which tool can be used for DNS enumeration? So getting information about DNS, how you can get? Nessus is network scanner. Nikto is also gathering information, and map port scanner. C is the right answer. NS lookup can be used for DNS enumeration. Which tool can be used for troubleshooting in a network? So OPH crack is for password cracking. This is also same. So Hyena is the right answer. B. Hyena can be used to perform. This is a Windows tool. So you can download and install Hyena inside Windows operating system, which is for troubleshooting. Port number of MySQL. So MySQL is a database and the port number is fixed, which is 3306. Just remind, 3306 is used as default by MySQL. You can change it, but by default it uses 3306. Which of the following nmap command is used for half open scanning? So half open means basically they are using stealth scan, right? So right answer is stealth scan. Half open is also called stealth scan. Stealth scan is used as half open scan in nmap. Which of the following tools can be used to footprint web servers in Windows? In Windows, Nikto, Victo, OpenVAS or Burp Suite. So in Windows, Nikto inside Linux and Victo is for Windows. So they are asking for Windows, so B is the right answer. Victo can be used for footprinting. Port number used by DHCP. So DHCP is a protocol, dynamic host configuration protocol, right? And the port number is fixed. 68 is the right answer. So 68 port number is for DHCP. In Linux, the etc/shadow file can be encrypted with which of the following encryption? So which encryption is used inside /etc/shadow file inside Kali Linux or Linux? So strong encryption inside these options is basically SHA, secure hashing algorithm. So shadow file actually uses SHA to encrypt Linux passwords. Which tool can be used to count words from a web page? So there is a web page. For example, you have opened a website and how many words have appeared on this web page? How we can count? So there is a tool available in Kali Linux, CEWL tool, which we can use to count words from a web page. It is available inside Kali Linux operating system. Which of the following attacks is most dangerous in organizations? So DOS attack is for basically flooding, spoofing, insider attack. So right answer is insider attack. So insider attack is when your internal employee is trying to leak your secret data to your competitors. So insider data is most dangerous method to attack organization and it can be done from inside. That's right. Which algorithm uses modular arithmetic and elementary number theories? So you just need to take a look. So RSA actually uses, RSA is Revis-Shami-Edelman. This is the full form, and it uses arithmetic and elementary theory inside their algorithm. What kind of knowledge script kiddie have? So script kiddie is basically the lowest level of hacker. Obviously is having minimal kind of knowledge regarding hacking. So B is the right answer, minimal one. Script kiddie doesn't have any knowledge about ethical hacking, so minimal is the right answer. White box testing means, what is white box? White box means when you have complete knowledge about the infra of network. So you can see here that A is the right answer, complete knowledge about the infrastructure. White box testing means complete knowledge about systems. So this is called white box testing. What is black box testing? Black box means no knowledge about the system. So B is the right answer. B, black box testing means no knowledge about systems. Gray box is basically in the middle of white and black. So obviously gray box testing contains partial knowledge, very less knowledge about the system. Gray box is in the middle, so it will contain some knowledge about the system. So this is about the part 3 practice questions. In the next video we will learn ethical hacking exam practice questions part 4. Thank you.